Here's how I used Midjourney to create the cover art for Cut the Cord. I started out with this basic prompt generated by ChatGPT, but it was too vanilla. Speaking of vanilla, sis right here was giving vanilla, even though I said Moorish American and brown skin. So I had to get a little creative. ChatGPT helped me out, and now sis is serving face, and she looks brown like moi, but not quite what I'm looking for. So I had to keep going. That was a little scary, but here we go. This is more of my flavor, but sis's fingers look like scissors, so I kept regenerating. I used this new prompt. I wanted to see if I could get something else more of like a Bratz doll vibe. So now it's giving Chloe Bailey, Halle Bailey. It's also giving Willow Smith, but not quite what I'm looking for this cover, but still very cute, very demure. Because this beat is giving ethereal space universe vibes, I figured I would tell that to ChatGPT and they came up with that prompt. Now, when you're using Midjourney and you want to just tweak a photo that you like just a little bit, you can play with those options down there. And that's what I did. And I came up with all of these different variations. It's giving Galaxy Goddess. We're in the air, we're ethereal, we're flying. Really cute and goes with the vibe of the song, but still not quite what I'm looking for, but I had a lot of fun with it. So I ended up going back to my original idea. I was just like, I gotta figure out what to do with those hands. So I went back. I actually had more options like sis right here. I really, really rocked with it, but I wasn't able to quite get her hands where I needed them to be. So I kept selecting that subtle and strong variation option. Just change your hand, tweak it a little bit. Almost quite what I'm looking for, but that hand on the left is looking crazy. Went back to this option. My first option, I was just like, you know what? If I can find a sword that I can cut out and just add to my girl right here, that's what I'll do. So I found this photo that I can easily just remove those scissors. I used this hand with the sword and reversed it, and there you go.